Want to check your WhatsApp call history? You can easily view all your past calls with just a few simple steps. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your WhatsApp call history. Be sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Checking your WhatsApp call history allows you to review the log of calls you've made and received through the app. This feature is great for revisiting important conversations or managing your call records. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list. Look for the tabs at the bottom or top of the screen, which include chats, updates, calls, and more. Tap on the Calls tab to display your recent call history. You'll see your calls listed chronologically, with the most recent ones at the top. Scroll through the list to view previous calls. Each entry includes the contact's name, the type of call, voice or video, and the date and time. If a contact's name appears in red, it means you received a missed call from that person. To see more details about a specific call, simply tap on the contact's name to expand the information. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your WhatsApp call history. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.